Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of REM Bus. I'm your host, Kaaz. As always, I got Callum with me. Good
Hi
morning,
everyone.
Callum. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
So, guys, what we're talking about today is every day we talk about all this week about the Bitcoin small boost and what happening of the rest of the crypto world. Fear and greed index still hovering around 40s, and Bitcoin, yes, it's dropped a little bit from 80s to high 70s. What's the impact on that for REM? So all happening. Let's go to Callum and we'll find out exactly what's happening. What's these trends? What's the thing? Is it the normal market? Still feel people feeling is bullish. People all talking about the upcoming altcoin season, but all everything what we taking from that is the positivity. It's good to be positive. So Callum, over to you. Let's talk about actually what the graph saying.
Thank you very much, Kaz, and welcome everyone to another episode of REM Buzz, where we add value to your knowledge and to your judgment. So, to start with, this is not a financial advice. Please do your due diligence and find out the best. We just give you the education part, get that information, and crack it up. Now, look, guys, it's as Kaz mentioned, all the Clarity Act and everything, starting from the Genesis Act, it has moved towards some positive movement. If you see what's happening in there out there, guys, the AI revolution, what's happening with blockchain revolution, how AI and blockchain are certainly changing the world aspect, you can see real world assets like REM is the next level of everything, because all these technologies leads towards digitalizing real world assets. And as you can see, it's happening with the stable coins and everything. So this is what it is, a genuine project like REM, obviously, like we are here, right? Cass would say more about it later on when he sees his updates as the CEO. But as me, what I can say is the ecosystem is flourishing, and why it happened is because the regulatory point of view is happening as well, and that's where the investment comes in. So without further ado, let me share my screen. Now you can see this screen, guys. Look at this stability, the stability of the market. It's been stable certain of time here. It dropped down here, but you see it's hovering around now 70 to $80,000, which is okay for us, right? Now in Callum Sheehan channel, I put this through as well. Would you buy Bitcoin at 77,000 when you were ready to buy Bitcoin at $120,000? Makes sense, right? Why don't you go there and put your idea as well, because it's a poll. Now you can go to our Twitter channels, our other channels as well, which you can actually contribute to this sort of information, right? Now, with this information, you can see all the markets actually moving towards whatever the Bitcoin is fluctuating. So you can see it's going up and down. XRP is going up and down. Ethereum's going hovering around in 2000s forever now. But well, you know what? It's not negative. Ethereum hasn't gone down to a certain level. I would actually look into an Ethereum chart later on another day. So bear in mind, let's look into the Ethereum charts one day. Excuse me. That way you can figure out where we are now. It has been amazingly stable. Now, if I actually go there as we speak, I just want to show you in CoinGecko. I just show you a very small amount. What we can see here. The Ethereum charts, not maximum, but there we go. See, guys, the drop of Ethereum is supposed to be around here, which was hovering around 1,500 last time, 1,000 to about 2,000 high peaks of the bear market. We have been hovering around 2,000 mark over here. Let's look at year to date so we can see this properly. Look at this, how much this has been over here. This stability over here, it's been stable all over the place for since February last year. So this year, look at this, what happened over here. And this is what I would say, like if you take the 1 year chart, This is not the best chart. I would go through this later on, but look at this. A high above, ups here, low here, but what you see here is actually a consolidation, nothing else. Let's go to the BTC charts, guys. So you can see here. It's loading. There we go. Now we got the 3-day chart with MA50 and MA200. That's the moving averages, guys. What you can see, it has gone up from the MA50, which has never happened in Bitcoin history. We haven't seen this happening if it were to go to a bear market. Once it dropped down after this cross, we haven't seen this movement. Now we can see this. So this can actually, with the green candles coming up here, see how the green candle is coming up here. If the green candles push up here, right over here, then we're looking around another movement up here, and it's going above the blue line, which is the MA50. Once it go above the blue line, and if it, fortunately, if it were to be consolidating like this over here, it'll push above the pink line, and we're going to see a spark. We're going to see a spark. If that happens, this is what happened last time. See this? Before the bear market, before the bull market, as soon as it pushes out from the blue line to the pink line and above the pink line, even though it'll go down, it will push up. It will push up. It'll push up with like this, a staircase sort of a thing. It'll push up right on the top. So if we were to see this, guys, this will push up to another level. Now the problem is we haven't seen such a dramatic change even up here. Look, guys, the cross happened here. What we should see this is going before the blue line until a hell of a lot of time we got to do this, but we haven't seen anything going above like this and staying there, not like this. See, nothing has happened here. It just drops. That's what the prediction was. The prediction was this to go down and then down here, stay here for a while, then come up, cross the blue line and go up. Now bear in mind, this is just the Bitcoin cycle. This is nothing to do with the altcoin cycle. So REM charts, guys, that's why I say there is a sort of a sell pressure in REM with all these things, but that creates opportunity. This creates opportunity, guys. This is the daily chart. You can see here 0.004. Now we have the 0.001, which is 4 times since 2025. This thing happens again with a altcoin season or more, then you're seeing, guys, fireworks. Look at this, close to $1, fireworks. So again, do your due diligence. This is a good time, a very good consolidation happening in REM, a beautiful time to purchase, just like this. A good time here. If you do dollar cost averaging and purchase your amount of REM, wow, man, that's so cool. So look at this. This is the thing. It's REM USDT at MEXC exchange, so you can purchase from MEXC. Okay, do your due diligence. This is our project. We're very fond of our project, so that's why I just want to mention that. Fear and Greed Index, guys, as Kaaz mentioned, it's a neutral zone in 40. So we had yesterday, which is 39, ending up 39. Then last week 50, the month is 57 last month. Wow. Guys, this is really good news, because if we were to see this, moving towards neutral zone, towards greed, then we would see some sort of altcoin season coming up. Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance been hovering around 60s. So last week, last month, it's been in 60s, which is all right. This is not the Bitcoin price. It's the dominance level compared to the whole crypto space. Well, it's the big brother, so obviously it'll be up there. But if it goes down to a certain level, like 50 something, then we'll be seeing an altcoin season. The dominance needs to go down in order other coins to come up. So let's see the altcoin season index. There we go, guys. The altcoin season index indicates that it is in the middle, going into the middle. But you see, we would like to see it in the 50s here, right? So last week was 41, 38, 41 the last month. So it's hovering around here. It's not bad, not good, but you know what? We want to see something going up to the altcoin season here. We saw something up here, which was pressuring around, 10th of May, around 5th of May to 10th of May around here, which was good. It was under the altcoin season tabs, then went down a little bit, but we're still consolidating around here. This is the index that was created by CoinMarketCap, which is really, really useful. So guys, this is the ultimate truth is that if you were to invest in Bitcoin. And what my question was, if you were to invest Bitcoin up here, well, you know what? You can dollar cost average here, can't you? Can't you? It's an investment that you're looking at, right? It's an investment. So I just say, be mindful of what you're doing. And I'm seriously still predicting that Bitcoin were to go down one day, even if it goes up now, and if it goes down, this is the price range we're looking at. I still believe that. Still feel that if it got to come down because it needs some flushing to happen, guys. Seriously. And it's not that I don't like it to happen, but even if it goes up and if it sparks an altcoin season, still it needs to come here, touch it, and see this. Remember, we were talking about the around here. We would see the halving, Bitcoin halving. Guys, we still got some time happening for that. We've got almost 1 year to go. So during that year, it can go up, go down, and come back and push it up again around here. And that's my belief of the Bitcoin cycle. That's what's going to happen. And this would be, if it comes down here, guys, get ready your money to push up here. That's not a financial advice, by the way. You know what? Guess what? Everything, regardless, guys. If it goes down, you buy. If it goes up, you sell. It's that easy. But greed hits each and every one of us. You, me, Cass, any one of us have that as humans. We have that greed factor. Why can't we get more? Why can't we get more and more and more and more? But if you were to cash out when you see your money pot, you would not suffer. And that's coming from someone genuinely who believe, who has gone through these issues, who has gone through that thing, and I don't want you to feel the same, right? This cycle or last cycle or the cycle before, it doesn't matter. Make sure, my advice to you is make sure when it's low, don't get upset saying, oh, it will go down to zero. That will never happen in this sort of a scenario because there's so many institutes, so many governments and regulatory things coming up on board. So guys, the important thing is be cautious, purchase dollar cost average purchasing and dollar cost average selling on the top. You never go wrong. And I personally believe, and this is from one person to another, I firmly believe that our community would be educated enough to sell when it's needed to be sold, and buy when it needs to be bought. Right? Callum. All right, out. And giving to Kaz.
Thanks, Callum. So there you go, guys. There's a lot of important advice from inside. Like Callum mentioned, it's not financial advice. Do your due diligence, but these are the facts that you can consider or guidance you when you're making your smart decisions. So saying that, guys, thank you very much for joining me. That always subscribe, follow, and let us know what you want us to talk about. Like I always said, we're happy to do a specific topic, and in-depth talking about it, myself or Callum. And please don't forget to check the CEO update this time. I already started doing that. There's some important information on RWAs and what's the global yield or the global economic things, the impact of the geopolitics or to the RWA sector. So some important information for you. If you, it doesn't has to be you invest on RWA, even RW lover, you think you believe in RWA, some information for you on that. Saying that also, me and Callum planning to do another AMA session soon. It's been a while, right, Callum? We haven't done one, so we got a lot of.
True.
We it's not we haven't stopped. We deliberately stopped it because we need to get some solid information from you, so we can plan what's the topic. So we want to pick a topic that cater, let's say, the most of the questions, not just one. So that's why we took a bit of time. I think we are getting there. So hopefully, early next week we can get around it and do another AMA with you guys. So saying that, guys, thank you very much. Have a blessed day, and we guys see you guys soon on another RM Bus. Bye.
Bye, guys.